exercise plays important role to remain healthy. There are four things which we want to achieve: strength, stamina, suppleness, balancing, and mind control. Strength means power of muscles, joints. We achieve it through the yoga. We go to the gym, do weightlifting, that will increase the power of muscles, strength of muscles. Stamina is very important. Young people come and tell that they feel breathless. So to improve stamina, that is a Damchak Pravrutti, we need to do aerobic exercises. In yoga, meditation, pranayam helps us to increase the lung capacity. Aerobic means cycling, swimming, jogging. All these things will increase the oxygen carrying capacity of the muscles, or oxygen extraction is increased, thereby aerobic capacity increases. Suppleness is very important. When we talk about the body flexibility, joints, muscles should be supple, and we should be able to do all activities with suppleness. That improves the longevity of joints, and that's very important in today's age. Balancing. We always hear that in 50s, 60s people fall and they have fractures. So balancing is important while doing day-to-day activities, and I think yoga plays an important role in developing the balance activities. And most important is the mind control. I think any exercise basically releases a good endorphins, which increases positivity in our body, and thereby increases the mind control. We are positive throughout the day, and that really helps us in doing our day-to-day activities. And most important, in yoga, meditation, pranayam helps us in better mind control. Our whatever anger is there or our negativity is there as goes down. And most important, yoga nidra helps in removing the stress, and that's why exercise day to day is very important. You combine that with yoga, aerobics, and if you really want to develop muscles, then I think weightlifting can be added. But for day to day, to remain healthy, I think yoga for 45 minutes, walking, jogging, cycling, swimming will help you to remain healthy. Thank you.